Hey yo, come here for a second. I wanna talk to you about something. I know we said we was gonna take it a little bit slow, but I think I'm falling in love with you, it's true. I don't know what to do. Got me going round in circles, searching, looking for clues. I'm so confused. What if I lose? Okay, let's play by the rules. No matter what, all I know is that I'm sticking to you. So let's pursue it, get into it, make it do what it do. Bet you'd probably be surprised if you knew what I knew. Okay, it's like they say, and I guess it is true. Cause when it come to pleasing you, I can say I'm a fool. So delighted, had to write it right, hoping you like it. Tried to fight it, so excited, sparked the flames and ignited. Need the mood to be right, don't let your shoes be tight. It's like a movie tonight, I'm feeling woozy tonight, yeah. And I don't mean to be rude, but tell the DJ take it easy. We say play something smooth, so we can groove to it, move to it, cruise to it. You see these feelings here to stay, better get used to it. I don't know how you did it, but I think I'm falling in love. You got me all wrapped up into you. I don't know how to get out in love. You just have to help me find my way. This is something about you that got me all, you got me all, yo, hey yo. The way you do that little thing with your waistline, I wanna taste, slow the pace, take your time, I wanna make you mine. Now let me say you fine, it's like 365, that's when you on my mind. We made our way to the floor to conclude. Did a dip, now we back in the groove. It's like the closer you get, that's the more we improve. Dim the lights and do whatever we choose. I see no need to debate, I think the season is great. Wait, let's take this conversation, move it to another place. I wanna hold you, keep you warm just like a snowshoe. Get to know you, let me show you. But when I chose you like a rose, that's when I told you. Let me propose something new, I wanna grow with you. I wanna flow with you, find a place and go with you. Take it slow with you, whatever so and so with you is so official. You know, I'm just not the type to fall in love, you know. I'm just not the type to go through these type of changes. So you need to understand what's going on inside me right now, cause I just need your help. Yo, hey yo, I'm just revealing my face. I'm trying to deal with a case. Put my hands on your waist and the feeling is great. You pass the test, I'm impressed how you work it. Without a doubt, I'm impressed, nothing less than perfect. Now that's the picture, that's the scripture, that's the mixture. From day one, you a permanent fixture. Yeah, I had to get you, you was something kinda special. From the heart, that's why I'm happy I met you. And I'm happy to hold you, and I'm happy to kiss you, and I'm happy to touch you. That's why I'm happy I'm with you. When we started as friends, all of a sudden it grew. If you ain't know, now you do. Love is only for two. The way you smile, I can't forget, and I'm so to your lips. Close my eyes, all I see is us engaged in a kiss. Now I just wanna hold you and squeeze you and please you, and I think I'm falling in love. See, I don't know what we gonna do with this. I don't know how we gonna handle this. Whatever we do, in love with you. I think we gotta do it together. You know, you just something special to me, you know. I could tell you a whole lot of things. A whole lot of things that you probably already know. But I won't even do that right now, cause all you need to know is that I'm committed to you. And if you want the same thing that I want, then you need to say it. They say time waits for no man. And I think right now, it's not the time for waiting. It's the time to show your love. It's the time to come together. It's the time to make it happen. You ready for that? Cause I know I am. You know.